reviewed a product. So I'm back with one, and I think this is the most anticipated product every nail art lover or a nail artist is going to love. Yes, in today's video I'm going to review the LED arch light. Yes, you must have seen this arch light on almost every popular video. It's a beautiful half arch light, and it's trending everywhere, and every nail artist in India right now is looking for this one. So I'm here to show you, so watch this video till the end. I got this arch light from Store2508. It's a popular store on Amazon, and they have like every popular nail art tool or nail art product that you might need in your nail art journey. From stamping to glitters to gel polishes to tools, and like a wide variety of stickers. They have like everything. Okay, so this time they got this half arch light for us nail art lovers, and I had to get one. The price is 9,999, but right now it's available in introductory offer of 3,999. So I am sure you must not miss this opportunity. Let me show you how the light looks. Let's do the unboxing. So this is how it looks, and it has the details. I will mention all the technical details over here, but let me tell you, it has input power of 110 volts up to 240 volts, and light sources LED. Lifespan of this LED light is 50,000 hours, so it's really long. Like 50,000 hours are a lot. Do the calculation with 24 hours. And material is aluminium and different kinds of metals, and it has healthy eye protection, heat dissipation, so there is no heat sensation for the customers or you if you are using it for a long time. And brightness is dimmable, so you can get those cute light effects as well for your nail art videos and pictures. And it has a stereoscopic effect, which gives it extra large luminous surface, like the light dissipates a lot, or that's it. So these were all the technicalities. I will also mention all the technical details over here as well, as mentioned by Store2508 on their Amazon page. So let's open the box. I'm so excited. I have not even opened it. Like, I'm the first one with you to watch it. Let's open it. By the way, this is my new studio. Crazy Nails is now a proper studio. So if you are looking for a nail artist or press on nails, you can contact me in the comment section or DM me on Instagram as well. Okay, so let's do nail art together. Do the opening together. It's packed very beautifully. You can see over here. And it has like protective foam over here, and there's a manual as well. So it has like all the details over here, product manual, accessories का schematic diagram भी है, so that you know which product is what. So let's see. After opening the package, please refer to the components list to check the accessories and do not lose them. Okay, so please pay attention to assemble according to the assembly instructions. Okay, please note that the excess voltage is 100 to 240 volts. Okay, so सबसे पहले इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें दी गई हैं. So there is this lamp body, which is this portion, iron base, 2 pieces, which is these portions. These are very heavy, so your light is going to stay in place. Then power supply, 1 piece. This is the adapter that comes with it. Then screwdriver, 1 piece, we have it. Then fixing screws, 4 pieces. Actually they have provided more than 4, so here's the fixing screws, and they have provided I think 6 pieces, so if you lose 1 or 2 you're fine. Okay, please pay attention to wipe gently with a clean, dry and wet cloth. नेवर यूज एसिड और एल्कलाइन सोल्यूशन टू क्लीन द लैम्प। ओके, सो इस लैम्प के ऊपर आपको कभी भी कोई भी कॉलिन टाइप प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं करना है इसको क्लीन करने के लिए। आपको सिर्फ या तो ड्राई क्लॉथ से, कॉटन क्लॉथ से इसको वाइप करना है, और यू कैन यूज अ माइक्रोफाइबर टॉवल एज वेल, और या फिर उसको हल्के से गीले कपड़े से साफ करना है। ज़्यादा गीला भी नहीं, मतलब टपकता हुआ गीला नहीं होना चाहिए, बहुत हल्के गीले कपड़े से आप इसको साफ कर सकते हैं। एंड make sure to remove the power supply before cleaning it. Okay, you're safe. Okay, so let's assemble it first and see what happens. So I have assembled it and this is how it looks. ये आपके metal की plates हैं, and make sure to put the foam side towards the outside and the metal part towards the inside like this. It's really easy to install. Like मुझे hardly 2 मिनट लगे हैं इन screws को लगाने में, and the foam side should be towards the outside and the metal parts towards the inside, क्योंकि ये foam आपके light को slip होने से prevent करेगा so that you can easily work. Both of them have a foam layer and it's anti-slip, so make sure this stays towards the outside. It comes with this kind of adapter. It's a very basic adapter and इसको आपको इस पोर्शन के अंदर ऐसे हुक करना है। ओके, इट्स रियली इजी टू डू सो एंड you don't require a lot of technical knowledge to assemble it or to make it work. Okay, so let's plug this charger in power. ये आपका एक पावर बटन है और इसी के साथ इसे आपने टर्न ऑन करना है, टर्न ऑफ करना है, एंड इसी के साथ ही आपकी जो लाइट की इंटेंसिटी है वो भी चेंज होगी और उसकी ब्राइटनेस भी चेंज होगी. So this is how it looks in yellow light. You press it for the cool light and then press it for the natural light. It has 3 light modes, yellow, blue and natural. Okay, and उसको कैसे कम और ज़्यादा करना है, डोंट वरी, इसमें कोई एडिशनल बटन नहीं है. आपको इसी ऑन एंड ऑफ स्विच के साथ ही इसे डिम भी करना है और इसकी इंटेंसिटी बढ़ानी भी है. कैसे करेंगे, इसको बस आपने ऐसे प्रेस करके रखना है and then you can see the light is dimming down, and then remove your finger and then put your finger on it back and the light will brighten up. Okay, इसी बटन के साथ आपने इसे turn on करना है, turn off करना है, and everything will be done with this button. Let me show you how it looks in a dark room. So let me show you how it looks. So this is this bright. You can see how bright it is. The light is really bright. You can see, you can easily work in it and अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को आप इसमें दिखा सकते हो, आप अपने फिंगर्स को इसमें दिखा सकते हो, पिक्चर्स भी ले सकते हो, एंड इट वर्क्स परफेक्टली. दीज आर द 3 light modes. This is the natural light mode, and let me show you how to dim it. Again, just put your finger on the wire and it will dim down like this, and remove your finger और उसको वापस उसी पे बटन पे लगाएंगे तो वो वापस ब्राइट भी हो जाएगी. Okay, this is the maximum intensity. You can see how beautiful it looks and how natural it looks. मुझे लगता है कि लाइट काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगी किसी भी नेल आर्ट लवर के लिए. अगर उसे पिक्चर्स लेनी है वो आराम से इस लाइट के साथ पिक्चर्स ले सकता है, एंड इफ अ नेल आर्टिस्ट इज यूजिंग इट वो इजीली इसके साथ वर्क भी कर सकते हैं. मतलब आपको फोकस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, अलग अलग लैम्प्स लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, एंड ये गर्म भी नहीं होती है, सो इट्स सेफ टू टच एज वेल. एंड आपका क्लाइंट सामने बैठ जाएगा, आप इधर ऑपोजिट साइड बैठेंगे, आपकी प्रोडक्ट्स चारों तरफ होंगे, इस लाइट के गिरने का डर नहीं है बिकॉज इट वॉन्ट मूव फ्रॉम इट्स प्लेस. इट्स नाइसली एंकर्ड ऑन इट्स फुट्स, और ये एंटी स्लिप है तो ये स्लिप भी नहीं होगी. एंड यू कैन पुट योर प्रोडक्ट्स अराउंड इट, यू कैन पुट योर cushion in between it, and there will be a lamp over here and anything. Like पूरा सेटअप आपको पता है कैसा लगता है, एंड एक लैम्प उसमें जब बीच में रखा जाता है तो कितना chaotic हो जाता है. एंड विद दिस आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी easy. You can work as well, you can click pictures as well, and just this single light is going to help you a lot. Okay, so let's turn on the lights. I hope आपको ये Store2508 की लाइट अच्छी लगी है, and you are going to try it as well and you are going to buy it as well. It's available on Amazon at 3,999 right now, but the original price is 9,999. So go and make sure to utilize this introductory offer as well right now and grab it. The link is mentioned in my description, so you guys can easily go and click on it and buy it for yourself. ये लाइट काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है एंड आई गेस at 3,999 it's a steal. Okay, so go and get it and it's really helpful for you, and I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as I do. You will see this light more in my videos next, and I'll be using it a lot. So please go and try it, it's really helpful. And Store2508 is a trusted brand. I have been buying products from them for more than like 4 years now, and they are trusted. They give value for money for the products as well. So I'm a regular customer, and being a regular customer you can understand. मैं easily आपको बता देती हूँ कि किसी भी प्रोडक्ट में क्या कमी है या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और आई होप आपको मेरी रिव्यूज़ भी अच्छी लगे. एंड do try these videos, do try these products, and I hope you enjoy it. So subscribe, comment if you have any questions about it, and I will try to answer it at my best. Okay, so bye.